I've been writing out the vision, now I'm watching it unfold. What I speak gon' come to life, turn that pain into gold. Ain't no luck, it's how I move, every step is by design. What I see up in my mind, I bring to life, it's only time. I told them I would make it, they was laughing in my face. Now they watching from the bleachers while I'm running up the plays. Had to shift the way I'm thinking, made my future crystal clear. I've been talking to the stars, now the universe can hear. Every word a seed, so I plant them with intention. Manifesting wealth, I don't even gotta mention. They was trying to box me in, but my mind too wide. Took the limits off my spirit, now I'm out here taking flight. Speak it, claim it, watch it grow. Every word I speak is gold. Ain't no dream too big to hold, I just manifest, let's go. Speak it, claim it, watch it rise. Turn my thoughts in